This is an honest review of the PLR Ebook provider website owned by Landry, the official inventor of the PLR franchise. Those who have actually dealt with Rick have absolutely nothing negative to say about him because they know full well what Rick brings to the table and how much everyone benefits from his knowledge, his ingenious tips and methods to truly generate money online. Yes, competition is everywhere, but each person, whether competitive or not, must recognize the benefit of their meeting with Rick and respect that by being humble. Rick provides help and ingenious ideas at all times, like the famous PLR franchise, which he alone and the first to invent an already built website including hundreds of PLR products ready to be sold the same day. If you would like to become the owner of a PLR business already built and ready to use, I will leave you the link in the description and bio. Rick will send you your complete e-commerce the same day with lifelong training.